What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking in from SeaWorld Orlando, and we have something kind of interesting that's happening over at the storage lot. So we're going to head over there first before heading inside the park. So there we have it, folks, our first pieces of structural steel, and it looks like it is for the lift hill, among some other pieces. No wait to get in through security like usual, and first thing I noticed is right over here off to the side we have a work wall. For whatever reason, couldn't tell you, but it's here. The temporary Shamu Emporium stand is still open out here as they are still doing a lot of work inside for renovation. So yeah, still a lot of work being done over here at Shamu Emporium, and I see the sign has been removed and that's now over in the temporary location. Come on, dolphins. Jump. I know, they were jumping like crazy. We come over here and it's like, nah, we don't want to do that for you. Paparazzi's here. Oh, okay. Thank you. We got another one over here.
Dolphins communicate in a variety of ways, including silent touch and sound. Now, one of the key senses that dolphins have is the sense of echolocation. By using echolocation, dolphins can send out sound waves into their environment. Those sound waves bounce off of objects like rocks or prey, and they receive those sound waves through their echolocation. By using echolocation, dolphins can determine things like size and speed.
Wow, Cadence, look, on this side, look, she's like right, look.
Hey, Dara. And as we can see here, the hot topic of Kraken Unleashed, well, still does not have VR. And since we're talking about the ride, let's go catch a ride, considering it's only a 5-minute wait. One thing I did want to point out is we still have some of the VR boxes still on the train right there. So for those of you thinking VR may not be coming back, well, it probably will. Yep, these booths are still here, and they're going to be here for a little while because Praise Wave has been extended. There's even some new concerts. Check it out on SeaWorld Orlando's website. Oh yeah, it is time for some Mako.
Once seated, pull the back arm down to your waist and lift up to ensure it is locked. Please sit upright with your head against the headrest and hold on tight. Riders must keep arms, legs, hands, and feet inside the train at all times.
Yes, our old friend the Sky Tower. Let's see if it's open today. Indeed it is. Only a 10-minute wait, it says.
Welcome aboard the SeaWorld Sky Tower. As you immerse yourself in the
time now for our aerial view of Infinity Falls from the Sky Tower. And as we zoom in, you can see a lot of work right there on some of the trough. So we have new rebar, concrete right there, a lot of vehicles around the area, and more of the trough is starting to go in place there. And then check out all this concrete right there.
Did you know that SeaWorld has rescued and rehabilitated more than 20? Interaction is a big part of the SeaWorld day. After an awesome and dining experiences, sharks, underwater grill.
So yes, Praise Wave has been extended. The park signs don't reflect it just yet, but very soon I'm sure they will. But yeah, new artist. Well, this is something new. We have a wall on the right-hand side that has not been in our other updates, but the one on the left has, and that pathway is super narrow. Let's go show you how narrow. So yeah, like I said, this wall over here is new, and it's surrounding the retention pond, and I'm thinking that may be an area for if they have to do water evacuation, stuff like that. They can flood all the water over there, so maybe they're installing some pumps or something like that. But literally, my arm is extended out over here, and it's probably maybe 2 people wide. And of course the crane is still in the air. It's been busy doing its thing. And very soon, we're gonna have vertical construction. As we saw the parts over in the storage lot, they'll be heading over. Wow, guys, check this out. We have the retention pond over here almost completely drained. Definitely a sight that I am not used to seeing. We've also cut down probably 3 trees, giant ones, so the area is really opened up. Remember, folks, on the weekends, this is the place to be as the Bayside Stadium gets rocking. One other event to talk about is, of course, the Seven Seas Food Festival right after Praise Wave. There's some new food items, and we just posted about that, so if you want to check out that, go to our Facebook or SeaWorld's website for more information. Of course, we're going to be there. They've got a lot of great food. Well, guys, that is going to do it for another SeaWorld Orlando construction update for Infinity Falls, and good news, we finally have some parts that have arrived inside the storage lot. It won't be too long before vertical construction starts. Of course, Journey to Atlantis still closed. Same with Kraken VR. VR is not there, but we do expect it to return. We're gonna have many more updates from here, so if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway.